Hey guys, my name is Maitri Bose and the channel's name is Bose Lady, that you know already. Welcome to my channel. I hope that everybody is safe and sound. And today I will be unboxing the things that I got for myself from the Nykaa Summer Super Saver Sale. I hope that I am spelling it correctly. It's a little tricky. So please keep on watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon right after the subscribe button. So I hope that you like my content, and let's get started without any further ado. The first box which I'm going to unbox, I think I should start ASMR. Anyway, actually I've already unboxed it, like I've already seen it because I'm an impatient person, but I'm going to do it again. So the first thing that I got for myself is from the Face Shop. These are the two things that I got from the Face Shop. I have heard about this a lot, so I thought that so I wanted to buy it. Now, the best thing about Face Shop is that whenever you buy something, they always give you some freebies to try, or like some of their sample products to try, which is a very good thing. And I think you must invest in this company because their products are really good. Like their skincare products are bang on, okay? So this is what I got from the Face Shop. This is how the packaging looks like. This is what they sent me. I think this one is their toner, this one is their moisturizer, and this one is their cream. This is one of their best products and you people have to try it. I haven't tried it before, but I have received a lot of reviews regarding these products, like this range. It's a little pricey, I would say, but then it's worth your money. So if you want to invest on this, okay? I'm going to give a full review after I use a little bit. By the way, I have to tell you that there are three products that I got from Amazon, I think, not from Nykaa, and those are so this is the first thing that I got for myself from the second box. These are the lashes. This is by Cacailis. I have no clue how to spell this. So they have given me an eyelash glue with it. This is the first thing. So this is the second bunch of lashes that I got for myself. They are, I think, 5 of them. They come in a set. So the third thing from the box is this Mamaearth Upton face mask, and this is the main box, and it also comes with a spoolie like this. I will do a review on this. I've heard a lot about this, but I'm going to do a review on it once I've used it a bit. The fourth thing that I got for myself is this one, Nykaa Tea Tree Essential Oil. Tea tree really suits my skin, and it will suit everyone who has a sensitive skin because it is antifungal, and it's good for your skin. It's good for people who have sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but my skin varies from normal to dry, so it's a combination skin. So tea tree is a very good thing. You can always go for tea tree if you have any sensitive skin, if you're confused about what skincare product should you go, or if you want to invest in an essential oil. I think tea tree would be a good starting range. This is the fifth thing that I got for myself. It's a Lakme liner. I'm going to quickly swatch it for you. You can see it here. Oh, can you see? It's like super pigmented, guys. Please go for it, please. So this is another thing that I got for myself. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's a liquid glitter. It's in the shade Smoky Storm. Repurchase this shade, actually. It's a very good shade. I'm going to swatch it right here. It's very good. It's very pigmented, and it's worth a try. Next thing that I got for myself is this one. It's a Insight Cosmetics Concealer, 2X Cover Master Concealer. This is the concealer that I got for myself from Insight. I think it's in the shade 03 Golden Sand. So it's a very budget friendly concealer. The next thing that I got for myself is this primer from Insight. This is their 3-in-1 primer. Primes, protects and moisturizes. It's long lasting, oil free. This is how the inside packaging looks like. Another thing that I got for myself, it's a nail polish. Quickly show you which color I got. This is the color that I got for myself. This is the next product that I got from myself. It's a highlighter from Wet n Wild. Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. It's a very good highlighter. I have used it before. The next thing that I got for myself is this NK Cosmetics eyeshadow. It's in the shade Oh Honey. It's a very good palette, guys, very pigmented. So all of these are from Nykaa. So this is the first mask that I got for myself. This is their Black Mud plus Aloe Vera sheet mask. Second mask that I got for myself is their Lemon and Honey sheet mask. This is for the glowing skin. The third one that I got for myself is the Tea Tree plus Aloe Vera sheet mask. It's for moisturizing. This one is very good. It's a repurchase, guys. And the fourth mask that I got for myself is the Pearl plus Hyaluronic Acid. This is also a repurchase. It's a very good mask. It suits my skin and it's good. It's really good. This is another mask that I got for myself. It's the Rice Water face mask that I got for myself. This is the last sheet mask that I've got for myself. It's a repurchase. It's from the Face Shop brightening face mask. It's a very good face mask. I have used it before. I have used it several times. I think it's a good suggestion, guys. So the next product that I got for myself is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost face gel. So this is how it looks like from inside. Yes, I've got the smaller version of it and I didn't get the big version because I was not sure if it would suit me or not. But I have received a lot of good reviews for this one, so I hope that it does and I can repurchase it. So I want to next move on to the lipstick section, and this is the last section that I will be unboxing. I mean unpackaging. Yeah. So this is the first lip shade that I got for myself. This is their packaging. This was the packaging. I have already opened it. So this is from Maybelline. It's from the Color Essential Cream Matte range. It's in the shade 657 Nude Nuance, or Nuance, however you can spell it. This is exactly how the shade looks like. It's a very brown, cool tone nude shade, so it will go with all the Indian skin tones. So this is the second lipstick that I got from myself. It's also from Maybelline. It's a nude lipstick too. It's from their Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte collection in the shade 09 Truly MLBB. So this is the third lipstick that I got from myself. It's from Miss Claire. This is exactly how it looks like. It's in the shade 11. This is the fourth lipstick that I got for myself. It's also from Miss Claire. It's in the shade 07. This is the shade that Shreya Jain, I think, reviewed. So this is how the shade looks like. This is also from the same collection. It's a very cool toned red, which I really like. This is the second last lip color that I got for myself. It's from Inside. I don't think that I got it for myself. It was a gift from Inside Cosmetics. This is how it looks like, and this section is the lipstick section. It's a liquid matte, and this section is a gloss section. So it's in the shade 03 Reckless. If you want to try it, you can try it. I'm going to swatch all the lipsticks, but that has to be in a different video, otherwise it would get really long. The last lip color that I got for myself, I didn't get for myself, it was again a freebie. In their soft matte collection in the shade in the shade 25. This is also kind of an orangish red, I would say. This is how it looks like. And yeah, so this was it. This was all the products that I got for myself from the Nykaa Summer Super Saver Sale. And I hope that you liked all the products that I got for myself. I hope that you liked the unboxing, and if you did, then again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon. Also comment down below if you like it and what you like the most, if you have any favorite products from the things that I got for myself. So that's it, and stay happy, stay positive, and stay at home, stay safe. Sending you lots and lots and lots of love and positivity.